The ReStore environmental reservoir system delivers an exciting new approach to the safe and environmentally responsible storage of extracted wastewater, with particular advantages for remote location applications. Our system offers superior, safer storage than the basic turkey nest reservoir, and is simpler, more cost-effective, and less labour-intensive than systems using heavy concrete form construction. The key to the ReStore environmental reservoir system is these Bondor panels. A polystyrene infill is sandwiched between two 6mm ColourBond steel facings to produce a weather-resistant panel that combines strength with lightness. The Bondor panel is a proven material, commonly used in the construction of cold rooms, but ReStore Environmental is the first to devise a unique system for using it for reservoirs. The great advantage lies in the light weight of the panels, which allows them to be easily handled by two people, rather than the heavy hauling and lifting equipment needed when working with concrete panels. The economic benefits in terms of labour and time are obvious, but there are also pluses in regard to safety, ease of site access, and by eliminating that major heavy equipment, a softer impact on the environment. But the lightweight panel is only part of the ReStore environmental reservoir system. And to understand why it represents such a breakthrough, let's step through a typical installation. A level site is prepared by compacting ground with a 1:75 grade to the centre to facilitate drainage in the unlikely event of a leak. The radius of the reservoir is marked out, together with the centres for the posts that will form part of the structure. A perimeter frame of galvanised steel posts and rails that will support the panels is then erected. The framework is in 2.4 metre sections, making handling easy and allowing for a high degree of flexibility to construct reservoirs ranging from 30 metres to 60 metres in diameter. The rails are fixed to the posts with drop-in pins. This method not only enhances the construction flexibility, but it's simple, fast and safe. The top rail has a channel to accept bolts, which are designed to hold the post in position and prevent rotation. At the bottom of the post and rail frame, a channel section is added to provide a footing into which the panels are seated. With the frame completed, the panels are now dropped into place. Two 1.2 metre panels forming a section between posts. Each panel weighs less than 40 kilograms and is easily and safely handled by two people. In order to resist wind load, the panels are bolted top and bottom to clamp plates attached to the frame. The structure is now complete and ready to have the waterproof membranes installed. The ReStore environmental system is so efficient, easy and quick to construct that, weather permitting, the erection of the steelwork and panels on the prepared site will have taken only about 2.5 days. Two one-piece membranes made from oil and chemical resistant PVC are utilised, the principal membrane being the thicker of the two. The support membrane beneath the principal is thinner and performs as part of a safety backup in the event of a leak in the principal membrane. This support membrane is connected to a pipe at the centre of the reservoir, which forms part of the leak safety system. The underlying support membrane is first temporarily secured to the channel in the top rail of the frame until the principal membrane is fitted and finally secured to the channel with Tech screws. The membrane installation has been done in 1 day, and with the reservoir itself now complete, it's time to attend to the ancillary components. A viewing platform, escape ladder, solar-powered connectivity, and inlet and outlet pipes are added. And once again, the design of the ReStore environmental reservoir system provides optimum flexibility, as these components may be positioned anywhere around the perimeter. An important part of the reservoir is the leak safety warning system. In the event of a leak in the principal membrane, the support membrane beneath prevents water entering the ground. The 1:75 grade channels the water to the centre and through the pipe to the outside of the reservoir, where it enters the leak collector. This collector features a float attached to a graduated marked plunger that rises with the inflowing water from the leak and visibly flags the situation so that timely action can be taken. The reservoir is now operational, and the complete process from commencing steelwork to completion of ancillary fittings has taken in the order of just 4.5 days. The ReStore environmental reservoir system is not only fast, flexible and economical, it delivers positive environmental outcomes. The absence of heavy equipment and minimal earthworks reduces site and access impact. There's the elimination of the need for fencing to prevent stock incursions so typical of turkey nests, the inherent safety of the dual membrane and leak detection system, and the insulation qualities of the panels that potentially reduce water temperature and evaporation. The ReStore environmental reservoir system, the smarter option for extracted wastewater storage.